What's up, everybody? For you guys that don't know, or for those that know, or whatever you want to call it, I don't really do vlogs as much, and I'm really not the best at this. So we're just gonna try it out, you know. Well, today we're going shifter kart racing, or practice. I have a shifter kart that's about 110 miles an hour. Don't think I'll get it up to 110 today because the track, it's going to be at Orlando Kart Center, and I can't max it out there, but normally I'm around 70, 80 miles an hour probably. We'll get to there in a few. Right now we're on the way, so should be fun. I'll switch over here in a few. I'm going to have some helmet cam and, you know, some good shots for you guys to see how the shifter kart is. It's really sick. Brandon joined us today. Hi, Brandon. It's kind of hard with this thing. It's freaking annoying. Oh, these are slow karts. Slow guys. Those things do probably like max maybe 25 if you're lucky. They say it does 50, but I fucking feel like it does like 31 miles an hour at most, to be exact. Oh, look at my shifter. This is my shifter. Oh. Yeah, so basically we rent this little like shop type of thing here at the track, so we don't have to constantly be bringing our carts and stuff. This is my baby. Boom. Shakalaka. And for you guys that don't know, this is the clutch. This is the shifter. Solid. This is a speedy. So it's basically almost a similar thing to a shifter. Getting ready. Yep. Gotta go out for first session. See how this goes. Got the carts out. We got Victor. Hey Victor, say what's up.
Hey, what's up, guys?
There's another collection of our carts that we got going. So besides drifting, drag racing, or road racing, this is what we're doing on our off time. Alright, but I'm going to go ahead and switch over to GoPros.
Accession. Weather's fucking beautiful. So far, first lap. See if I can get that for you guys. 1 minute, not bad. Cold tires, cold start basically. Go back out and drop that to 59, 58 probably. But other than that, weather's fucking great. Third lap in, and we beat our time. We got a new personal best, motherfuckers. 59. Trying to get to like 58, 56. That's the goal right now. When the cart's out, it's been real fantastic. Until next time. And we are outie.
Out we go.
Hey George.
What's up everybody in Willie's vlog? We just had a very successful day karting. Willie finally broke the 1 minute marker. Willie and his gear.
It says something about a Viper out here.
It's lit. This is how people vlog.
This is how the cool guys do it. Bye, Victor. So I assume next time we come, I'm gonna break a 58. And then we can run classes 57. Damn, they even working on cars out here. Look at this shit.